Hello, today let's look at the problems we see in Python. Why is Python too slow? Yes, it's really a slow programming language. We see that Java, C, C++, it's embarrassing to see that they do things faster. Python primarily comes from its dynamic typing and interpreted nature to being slow. It is because it's primarily typed dynamically, and it's also an interpreted language. It also contributes to its being slow. We see that Python is generally slower than JavaScript. JavaScript is faster due to its just-in-time compilation process. JavaScript is faster than Python. This is because JavaScript engines like Google version 8 used in Chrome and in Node.js employ JIT compilation. This means that at runtime, the engine analyzes frequently executed code and compiles it into optimized machine code, leading to significant performance gains. Python, on the other hand, is primarily an interpreted language. While it does compile code to bytecode, it's then executed by a virtual machine, which adds overhead and can be less effective than JIT compiled machine code of JavaScript. So, this gives JavaScript an opportunity to be faster than Python. But there is a way that we can make Python faster. First of all, Python is primarily an interpreted language, meaning its code is executed line by line at a runtime by an interpreter. But we can make Python faster just with the use of libraries. We have libraries, there are many libraries, but the one we can go with is Kite. So, how do we use Kite to make Python faster? Here is how we can do it. When you go to Chrome or to any browser, just type, let's first say that what is Kite in Python. We should first get an understanding of Kite. What is Kite? What is it used for? And it's generally used for Python, writing Python code, so that it becomes fast. Now, how to use Python? If you go to Google, you can type how to use Python. You'll be given the solution. You start with the installation. So you can scroll down. All the instructions are available. You can also see the videos that are given out. Also, Google directs you to specific videos that can teach you that. So, I hope that is helpful. Let me know down in the comment section about your thoughts, and if you use Python, what do you use to make it faster? And another thing, you can let me know about what you'd like to know, what you'd like me to show you in the next videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.